This file is a web page saved by a Mac user using Safari. Windows browsers like Chrome and Edge have no idea how to render it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how to extract the HTML so you can view it on a PC. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective WebArchive file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. A WebArchive file is a web page archive created by Safari. It saves the complete web page content, including HTML, images, CSS, and JavaScript, into a single file. This format allows users to view the web page exactly as it appeared online, even without an internet connection, making it useful for offline access and archiving purposes. The WEBARCHIVE format encapsulates all resources required to render a web page. It typically uses a property list structure to organize the archived data. Safari handles the creation and interpretation of these files, ensuring that the archived content is displayed accurately when opened. The format is specific to Safari and may not be fully compatible with other browsers. For managing WebArchive files, the best dedicated software is Apple TextEdit from Apple Inc. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows typically associates these files with your default browser or a code editor. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the WebArchive file and hit Open With. Use Apple TextEdit if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If your WebArchive file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since this WebArchive is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, use Safari. Open the file using the Safari web browser, as this format is proprietary to Apple. Next, check OS SALT compatibility. Confirm you're on a macOS computer, as Safari is not available on Windows, making the file unreadable. Finally, check security, choose quarantine. If on Mac and it fails, the file may be blocked by macOS security. Try removing the quarantine attributes, an advanced step. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.